What did she say next, and why did she say it?
Well, she certainly didn't want to move the markets, David. The fact that the tech stock sell-off was already going. Janet Yellen poured inadvertently a little fuel on it. Gold had a brief dip. The dollar had a pop. But it went on to the White House press briefing. Jen Psaki was asked about Yellen's comments. What about Fed independence? Is she trying to say what the Fed should do? But she responded, Yellen certainly understands the Fed's independence. And in fact, she said that Biden agrees with Yellen. We also take inflationary risks seriously. Yellen then, in the afternoon, tried to clarify her position in an interview at a Wall Street Journal event.
Let me be clear, that it's not something I'm predicting or recommending. If anybody appreciates the independence of the Fed, I think that person is me. And I know that the Fed can be counted on to do whatever is necessary to achieve their dual mandate objectives.
Two more things. First of all, Janet Yellen, up until now, has been saying inflation wouldn't be a problem. That certainly caused some surprise. Maybe that's another reason why she wanted to walk it back a bit. She also said in this second interview that she disagrees with former Treasury Secretary Larry Summers that the size of the stimulus could cause overheating.
Okay, and then, so you talked a little bit already about this, Kathleen. What happened in between that morning interview and the afternoon one, and that really made, I guess, the Treasury Secretary change her mind about things?
Well, you know, it's very unusual for a former Fed chair to make comments on the current Fed policy. Think about Ben Bernanke. He has not said anything about Janet Yellen since he left that position. Before him, Alan Greenspan never said anything about Ben Bernanke after he left the Fed. Paul Volcker, that was his tradition as well. It just isn't done. So I think maybe Janet Yellen realized that inadvertently she was maybe just being a little bit honest about what could happen. Maybe the Fed could raise rates if things get really heated up. Of course, they want a stronger economy. But I think that's another thing she felt she had to clarify.